Well, welcome to this demo video. We're just going to run you through what you get when you buy one of these new hair drug testing kits from Alltest, now available on the UK drug testing site. These are quite a breakthrough in point of care or on-site drug screening. For the first time, they allow you to undertake a hair analysis for drugs without having to send the sample off to a laboratory and the consequential wait to have it analysed and a report sent to you. These are instant on-site, take 5 to 10 minutes to run a test, and they are very simple to perform. You're basically looking at collecting a hair sample, ideally from the centre of the donor's head. You're looking to get the growth follicle out with the hair that you extract if you can, and you're looking to test that first segment that's grown from the base upwards. And the length of hair that you're going to put through this test is obviously variable. You can either do multiple short segments, or you can do up to 3 or 4 centimetre single segment of hair. Growth of hair rate is currently estimated at between 1 and 1.25 centimetres per month. So if you test just the first 1.25 centimetres, you're looking back in time for drug deposition in a 28-day period. If you extend that up to a 4 centimetre, 3.75, this exact math, hair follicle segment, then you're screening back in time approximately 3 months. And basically what you've got here is everything you need short of a pair of scissors to prepare your sample. This is the catalyst. This is a powder catalyst which lyses keratin and will dissolve the hair into solution, and this is the buffer solution that you add into that. So basically you make a solution using your hair sample, and in the catalyst powder container you allow that to lyse for approximately 5 minutes, giving it a good shake each time and allowing it to settle, and then you're adding a sample of that into, this is the cotinine test, which is nicotine metabolite, into the sample well here, and it's a straight running test which gives you a control and test line. And if there is drug detected in that hair sample, then you'll get a control line but no test line, and if there is no drug detected in that hair sample, you will get both the control line and the test line. So it's straightforward negative binding technology, immunoassay drug test results, very easy to interpret and read, gives you a clear indication. The cutoff on this cotinine test, which will look for cotinine deposition in hair, is 0.2 milligrams per mil, and that cutoff basically will detect cotinine that is deposited from both smoking as direct inhalation route, but also nicotine replacement therapies such as gums and patches. It will also be deposited at above that level, but it is tested to avoid passive inhalation deposition. That would be too low for this test to be indicating a positive result. So the uses of this as it's envisaged by the manufacturers are zero tolerance of nicotine or cotinine based substances as part of a no smoking policy. But obviously that doesn't give you the ability to differentiate smoke inhalation from replacement therapy absorption. Okay, so that's important to interpret your results on the basis of that. This will just tell you if cotinine and nicotine has been used in the preceding weeks or months over which you are testing. It won't tell you the route of administration. So this is the cotinine version. It's for, as I say, smoking. It's available in packs of 20. We are going to sell these individually because the instructions and the lysing solution and the buffer are supplied 20 for each test cassette. We'll be sending out easy to follow instructions with these to allow people to test for this. Cotinine obviously is a legal substance. There's no illegality in terms of its detection, so this isn't covered by some of the legislation that would affect professional use, but we're still advising that where there's doubt and you're getting a positive result, that you should confirm the test results using an accredited laboratory GCMS service, just to be on the safe side. So this test is now available from the UK drug testing website online.